Exploring the world through cultural excursions. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines travel, learning, and cultural immersion. We're talking about cultural excursions. These are not just ordinary trips. They're journeys that allow you to explore the richness and diversity of cultures around the world. Whether you're an English language learner looking to broaden your horizons or someone interested in experiencing different ways of life, this video will shed light on what cultural excursions are and why they're so valuable. Cultural excursions are guided or self-directed tours focused on experiencing and learning about the cultural aspects of a particular place. This includes its history, art, traditions, and everyday life. Unlike typical sightseeing tours, cultural excursions aim to provide deeper insights into the fabric of a community, allowing participants to see beyond the surface and gain a genuine understanding of what makes a culture unique. Cultural excursions are more than just educational trips. They're a bridge to global understanding and mutual respect. By participating in these experiences, you get to appreciate the diversity of the world's cultures, learn new languages or dialects, enhancing your linguistic skills, develop a global mindset, making you more open and adaptable to different ways of thinking and living, create lasting memories and friendships across cultural boundaries. To truly benefit from a cultural excursion, it's important to go beyond being a passive observer. Here are some tips to enhance your experience. Engage with locals. Conversations with local people can provide insights no guidebook can. Participate in local traditions. Whether it's a dance, a festival, or a daily ritual, taking part in local customs can deepen your understanding and appreciation of the culture. Keep an open mind. Be prepared to encounter ways of life vastly different from your own, and embrace these differences with curiosity and respect. We hope this video has illuminated the wonderful world of cultural excursions for you. These experiences are not just about seeing new places. They're about transforming how we see the world and our place within it. As English language learners and global citizens, embarking on cultural excursions can be a powerful way to expand our knowledge, empathy, and understanding of the diverse tapestry of human life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights and explorations in our future videos. Safe travels and happy learning!